Yeah. As a master of your life, as a goddess, you'll come to realize the key to everything is to have gratefulness, thankfulness, to be grateful and thankful, grateful and thankful, to be grateful and thankful. I'm thankful for my thoughts. I'm thankful for my life. I'm thankful for the love. I'm thankful. I'm grateful. I'm thankful for my toes. I'm thankful for my hips. I'm thankful for my legs. I'm thankful for my lips. I'm grateful. I'm thankful. I'm grateful. I'm so thankful. I'm thankful for the ancestors. I'm thankful for the gods. I'm thankful for the sun, the moon, for the planets, the universe. I'm grateful for my womb. I'm thankful for my voice. Can you hear me? I'm thankful. I'm grateful. I'm thankful.